Welcome to part 2 of our How to Make a Music Video series.
If you haven't seen the music video yet, it was just released, so go check the link in the description to see it. And today we're going to take you behind the scenes on our 2-day production for this video shoot, and we're going to show you how we achieved some of our shots.
Let's get into it.
Here's our rough time of like this section we should do around 12:30, and we should see when the next section starts. We're first gonna do living room chorus.
Okay, 3 different vignettes.
Yeah, so you can just like slightly change it. It's like supposed to be 3 different days, but you can cheat it a little bit.
Yeah,
We're trying to get a picture up at 11:30, and I was thinking like kind of mid, right? Let's set up the director's monitor and the wireless.
When you write it, can you do like 1 letter dark green and 1 letter light green, just back and forth? Bubble letters would be great.
Yeah. We are shooting a music video for Savoir Adore, their song When the Summer Ends, and we're about 5 minutes away from picture up.
What happens next is a moment.
Alright, Lauren, you're on the left, and stand by for Paul. I have 1 speech. Alright, living room chorus, take 1.
Will you hold my hand? Will you understand?
Living room chorus, take 2.
You love me when the summer ends.
Sorry, I don't.
Do you think there's relief in the feeling of an endless day? I'll wait, I have learned. Do we get stronger?
Yeah, one thing, Paul, is there's a cactus behind you coming out of your head when you move over this way, like when you adjust your head. Yeah, so if you say that way, that's better.
Will you understand? Will you hold my hand? Will you understand? Can we still pretend?
Just grab your drink and then walk to your left. What am I doing? You're staying on this side. Yep. Do not cross this line.
Can we do F like 6 or higher?
Alright.
You're moving very slowly.
Good.
Probably.
It might need
And because this also that
Ready, steady.
Will you hold my hand? Will you understand? Can we still pretend when the summer ends? When the summer
I don't know if it.
My focus probably changed. Keep your hand on the surface of the water behind you again.
That's pretty much where.
Okay. Action.
Just hold the shot there for a second.
Action. Swim.
Yeah, laugh. They're having a great time. This is great. Love it, love it.
I would like it to be more centered.
We see that there actually. Well, I'm a lot wider though.
What? How wide are you?
Boy, bye.
We're gonna pick up like right here, and you're gonna walk in front of me. I'm gonna follow you, and I'm gonna be you. I'll show you. You're gonna walk this way, and straight ahead. Christine's gonna walk by right past you, so just keep your same speed. She's gonna walk by you with her sponsor placement. You're gonna come like this. I'm gonna be around where Will is.
Yeah.
You're gonna come here, and you're gonna go like this.
Great.
Cool. And so we just have to get the timing right so that I'll be above you as you hit, you know? Action. You don't have one.
Living room, big ol' smooch, take one.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Can you guys be fixated on the movie a little bit?
Yes.
It really is so good.
It really is.
Can you do tighter?
Popcorn gobbling.
So
It's our
good,
favorite creative
honestly.
direction. Eat more popcorn.
It's so good.
Cool. That was really good.
Oh, these are so good.
Okay.
Let's just do the whole video in here. Like,
Alright, I'm gonna read you some shots that I made.
sorry,
I have question marks on.
Rachel.
Okay, here's what I got. Hover. Here we're sitting on a couch watching friends laughing around her.
Yes.
We got enough of that.
Outfits. I'll do a quick test with the drone. I'll put the drone in the air just to see how it's handling.
Is that you doing that?
It's massively windy here.
And a half more hours today.
Okay. That was for the gram. We are now gonna set up our other Movi to get some in-the-car gimbal stuff from the backseat.
Back in the order, maybe extra. Watch out for the car.
Rachel, I'm so happy to be standing here with you today, surrounded by all of our friends.
Daniel, we've been together for 8 years, through 7 different apartments and 4 different websites, all of which were hosted by Squarespace's easy-to-use all-in-one platform.
You're so beautiful, inside and out, just like Squarespace's designer templates.
You've always been there for me, day and night, just like Squarespace's award-winning 24/7 customer support.
I'm so glad I made my next move with Squarespace, and you. I love you both so much. We want to thank the band and our crew for helping us make this happen.
With production wrapped, the final step is editing. Next time on the music video series.
It's okay, Rachel's just gonna make me cut it out in post, so don't worry about it.
I probably will.
She will. It happens every time.
We're really awkward.